Bogart, paano ba ito sabihin? I'm sorry pero...
Study first ka ba?
Hindi.
Baka may boyfriend ka?
Wala naman.
Di ka ba ready?
Medyo ready.
Baka...
Di lang talaga kita type. Sorry. It's not me. It's you kasi.
Ayun lang.
Di, okay lang. Okay lang. Ano lang to? Rehearsal.
Tara na. Sorry ha, andyan na kasi si ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Ano tong kaguluhan to? Ba't nagkukumpulan kayo dito?
Group project lang, ma'am.
Tara kayo sa office! Now!
Yung ampalaya, inuulam, hindi inuugali.
Class for your activity, you'll be working in groups. Reminder ha, this is a performance task. I will divide you into groups of 5 randomly.
Ma'am, random, ma'am.
Salamat.
Now for our first group, we have De La